Reversing is one of the biggest pet peeves of new drivers. But don't worry, my friend, I've got your back. In this series, I'm going to show you all you need to know about reversing. So put on your seatbelt because we are going for a joyride. From teaching driving, what I've found is that the one thing that worries most people is which way they should turn the steering wheel when reversing. So let's get that out of the way first. When reversing, you turn the steering wheel in the direction you want the back of the car to go. Which way? In the direction you want the back of the car to go. Let me demonstrate. If you want the back of the car to go to the left, you turn the steering wheel to the left. If you want the back of the car to go to the right, you turn the steering wheel to the right. You're awesome. Isn't that simple? Now, this is what we are going to follow throughout this video. Here's what I'd like you to do. Whoever you're learning from, whether it's a driving instructor or a parent or whosoever it is, ask them to take you to an empty parking lot and let you practice reverse parking. When you get to the parking lot, try this. Ask your instructor to have you reverse into one of the spots. This is something most people don't practice, and that is why they struggle with reverse parking. But if you get this right, then you could do very good at reversing. I used to give my students these situations. Situation number 1, you have to reverse into this spot. So which way should the back of the car go? To the right. So we will start by turning the steering wheel to the right. Now, you don't want to go too far back, because if you do, then this is what will happen. You might end up going into the next spot.
You must stop a little far from this line to avoid getting too close to the line or to avoid entering the next spot. This is what happens with a slight change in the estimation. You are too close to the line. This time, you are in the other spot. Now, through this video, I can only give you an idea as to how far back you should go, but in reality, you will have to use your own judgment, and good judgment only comes with a lot of practice. By the way, if you have difficulty seeing these lines, then I highly recommend getting these mirrors. They are such a blessing when it comes to reverse parking.
So you reverse a bit, and now you want to stop and ask, which way do I want the back of the car to go? The back should go to the left. Perfect. So you start turning the wheel to the left and start reversing slowly. So you stop when the car looks straight. At this point, you want to straighten out the wheels. If you haven't watched my video on how to straighten out the wheels, then make sure you do that, because it is a very important video. So after you've straightened out the wheel, reverse slowly and stop when you're completely inside the spot. Now I'm going to let you practice these steps, and I'm going to come back with another reversing situation. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, my friend, make sure you do that, because you don't want to miss any new upload related to driving. And thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you again.